So Chevy pickup, Chevy SUV. Common issue is the door locks right here. They like to kind of stop working on you eventually. For example, my driver's left one doesn't really work, or it gives me like one try. This one's starting to go out. See how it's kind of stopped moving. Those guys still are. But today, gonna replace the back left door. Okay, this is what the actuator actually looks like. It's gonna be the whole latch. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. All right, first thing you're gonna want to do is roll the window up. Alright, and you're going to take off the strand panel, this little access panel here and here. You're going to have a 10 millimeter here and a 10 millimeter, two 10 millimeters here. And you're going to take this off here. Okay, you're going to take the door panel. With these, all it is a little clip that you need to unclip. This guy can be a little bit tricky. Undo. Turn the door panel upside down. You can see how it kind of works. But you're going to need to push these little tabs in. This guy out, make your life easier. That does this. I'll let the track move out of your way later. So the little yellow connector there, we're gonna have to disconnect that. That rod goes all the way up to the door handle. So to do that, it's gonna be a little tricky. You're gonna need to use a screwdriver to pop it open. If you look at the new one, it's a little different. Here's the new one. But the new one's shaped a little bit different, but it works the same. Okay. cold out, I can't use my fingernails. You can just unclip it, but you can do it this way too. Whew. Spin it off. Come over here. T30s. Pull this guy out. So your connector here, screwdriver. Oh, it's freezing. All right, there you go. Gonna have to reuse this rod. Reuse it on your new one. What I'll do is just work it out. Where it needs to be. Handle. Rod. Stick it in the groove. Stick it in the groove. Let's close it. Lock. Click. And you can test it by pulling the door handle. Outer handle. Oops, pull the outer handle. So it works. This guy. Get your. Think about this dude. All right. All right, cool. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. All right, lock. All right, cool. That's it. This driver's door is, it gives you about 3 or 4. Need to do the driver's door also.
Yeah.
All right, cool.